Hey y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to sign up for Amazon's affiliates program. This program basically lets you earn money from Amazon without spending money on Amazon. So for this program, it's basically other people spending their money by clicking on your Amazon affiliate link and making a purchase, and you earn a commission from that purchase that they made. So I'm going to show you how to sign up for this. First, we're going to go to Google. We're going to type in Amazon affiliate. We're going to click on Associate Central. Once we click on Associate Central, I already have an account, so let's excuse this for a second. We're going to click Sign Up. Once we sign up, it's going to ask us to sign into our Amazon account. Once we sign into our Amazon account, we got 4 steps to complete. And these 4 steps helps us create an account where we can actually be accepted into the program. The first one will be account information, where we type in our address, phone number, and all that. It should be linked to your Amazon account, so that step should be complete. If not, you can always go back. The next step is going to be your website. Where do you plan on posting your Amazon affiliate links? And you're going to need at least one website to post on here. For example, I use my Facebook group page. So I would post my group page of my Facebook. Share, copy link. I will post my Facebook group page there and add it. This is letting Amazon know that I plan on posting my links that I create from the Amazon affiliates program on this site right here. Once I do that, I'm going to click next. Once you click next, you're going to hit, read this right here. And then click confirm. And then you're going to set up your profile, your associate store ID you prefer, sketch your website or app. You plan to list your links, what type of topic describes your website, what type of items do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps. You can just check how many ever boxes you want. And what type are your websites and mobile apps. Just fill out all this information. Once you do that, you're going to hit finish, and you're going to be able to start using your associate's account to earn money through the Amazon affiliate links. The only exception is you got 6 months to make your first sale. And not your first sale, you got 6 months to make your first commission, which basically means somebody's got to make a purchase through one of your links. If you don't complete that in 6 months, you lose your account. Your application is not accepted. And it normally takes, I believe, around 2 to 3 weeks after you submit this application for them to approve or decline. And I'm not too sure if that's before or after you make your first sale. So let me show you how the dashboard looks to this program. Turn the next thing out. This is what the dashboard looks like. Basically, it's going to show you how much commission you have earned, how many clicks you get, and it gives in this little bar graph. As you can see, I got a total of 355 clicks so far. None of them have turned into commissions. They all clicked on the item. They clicked on the link which took them to the item, but nobody has yet to add that item or any other item to their shopping cart. When somebody clicks on one of your links, there's a 24-hour window that if they add anything to their cart in that 24 hours, and make a purchase, you will also earn a commission off of their purchases of what they bought. So you can get a summary of this month. I got 104 clicks this month. As you can see, I just started this not too long ago, and you're going to look at your earning report. And this graph is a lot better. Once you start earning commission, it shows like a little line graph, and this has all your data. Now, depending on the items, let's see if I can find it. Depending on the items that somebody purchased off of Amazon, you get a percentage of that item. And let's see if I can find that little chart. I can't ever remember where to go. Let's see. There we go. So basically, this is how much commission you get off of the items that somebody purchased on Amazon. So if it's Amazon games, you get a 20% commission rate of what they bought. If somebody buys toys, furniture, home improvement, anything in this category, you earn 3%. And you can look at these categories and these commission rates over here. They also have a special commission income bounty events. If you can promote Amazon like video channel, their home services, music trials, their Amazon Primes, you earn like a direct bounty rate. Like you can earn $2.50 for promoting their Prime Video channels. You can earn $3 if you promote the Amazon Prime free trial. And you can like use these links right here. So let me show you how you create a link to a product on Amazon. So we're going to go to Amazon. Maybe I should just click Amazon. Once we go to Amazon, you can set this Amazon Associate site strip up here at the top. These create your links up here. So we're going to find an item. One little quick item on sale. I normally do items on sale just because it'll help people click on it. It will promote people to click on the link because items on sale. If I can ever find anything. Let's see. Where was the daily deals? Oh no, here look. $110 off. That's not bad. 26% off. So what I normally do is I click text, copy this text, and I go to my page where I share the links. And then let's do hashtag ad and then Amazon link. We're going to put link. We're also going to put deals don't last forever. Or you put like some type of statement letting them know that the deal's not going to always be there. So check it out while they can. And then this is Pioneer 50-inch. All right, Pioneer 50-inch LED 4K. 50-inch LED 4K TV. And we said it was 26% off. I normally put up to 20%, 26, up to whatever percent it is off. So I don't have to go back and change it once the deal goes off. So I normally bold this. Let me make sure I got this right. EV, it was 6% off. So once we do all that, we're going to hit post. And it's posted to my Facebook group page. Now, depending on how much traffic you have to your website, the better it is. Like if you have more traffic, more people are going to see your links, more chances somebody's going to click on it and make a purchase off of Amazon. And as you can see, post a lot of links every day. Hopefully earn some type of commission. It doesn't take that long to post these links each morning, but once you build up the amount of people on your site or page or whatever you plan on posting these links, you have higher chances of earning commission. As you see, I only have 164 members as of now, so my traffic through people seeing these links is not very high. But overall, that is how you create affiliate links with this little site strip up here. And that's how you earn commission through Amazon, through their Amazon affiliates program. Make sure you follow the rules to the program too, because they will, like, I guess you could say, deactivate your account if you don't follow the program, and you can lose the commissions you didn't get paid for. Other than that, thank you for watching.